The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Love County in southern Oklahoma, northeastern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, Carter County in southern Oklahoma, southwestern Murray County in southern Oklahoma, west central Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma, south central Garvin County in southern Oklahoma until 6:45 p.m. At 5:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ringling, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Ardmore, Davis, Lone Grove, Healdton, Wilson, Dixon, Ringling, Springer, Doherty, G. Nodry, Overbrook, Milo, Poolville, Hennepin, Grady, Graham, Lake Murray, Turner Falls, Lake of the Articles, and Cornish. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 18 and 58. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather